We stopped at Lazy Joe's. In fact, you can't really see it back there. But stop here. Oi, why don't you want to focus? Dude, it doesn't want to focus. This is our favorite place to go to, Bush's Bunches. They have this adorable little snowman saying hi. It is so cute. And they open this during the summer. This is closed for now, but they usually open during the summer. We picked up our little seedlings to start our indoor gardening. Some of the zone 3 that you can start gardening indoors would be kale, lettuce, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, celery, broccoli, peas, beets, and carrots. If you want to do more like tomatoes, eggplants, hot peppers, and not so hot peppers, summer squash, winter squash, you'll probably need a little heating mat to help them grow before you transplant them outside if you decide to do that. With beautiful weather of 34 degrees on top of the mountain, it was really beautiful and we're able to go outside and garden for a little bit. From Rustic Cabin, we hope that everyone will be fruitful this year and subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you.